Yo, dude, what is going on? I'm the Elpster, and I'm so pissed off because like my friend's brother, he's going to college, he's going to Harvard. I'm not going to college, and he's like gonna upload every day. So I'm so fucking pissed at myself that I didn't upload every day. I'm gonna upload every day. Fuck you, Carrie. Just kidding. You inspire me. So yeah, fuck. I'm rooming with my best friend Sean. We're making Elsewise together. What's Elsewise? A YouTube channel, music, some videos on the side. We're uploading every once a week right now. I'm gonna be uploading that 10-minute goodness. Yes, I live in Frat City, Wisconsin University, the #1 party city in the college world. My house. There's no doors in my house. I live in the basement. Here we are. Sean saw a guy try to rob us. Our little fireplace right here. We got beef with these bitches. Bitch ass Adam family looking house. Mac Attack. He's literally living right over there, right by that chair. We got him some chairs. So guys, this is the entrance to our, and here we go into Sean's room. So yeah, Sean, I got really pissed off that Carrie's uploading every day, so I'm starting a new channel and I'm uploading something every day.
Every single day?
Yep, in Sean's room. The kitchen, we got the protein, found these in the dumpster. It's our actual apartment number. We got Harry's room in here. We got Trillo. Let's see what's in the fridge. Got some corn, got some ice cream, nice. Full of bread, full of snacks. Alcohol, they're all empty. Jackets, dry. Bathroom, pretty clean. Couldn't catch that mouse. Hair, stud. Skateboard, skated. This is my room. My little HQ with the Billie Eilish. I'm working on I Love NH music video right now. I don't know, it's pretty rough. I'm trying to perfect this formula where it's simple but hard to master formula. Still working on that shit. The closet. Got a ton of laundry to do. My jewelry, Trilla's other house. This is my prized possession from my parents before I left. Before I ran away. I just got this hat, I really like it. Perfumes, and it's supposed to be on my next to the perfume. Got my cigar, and just in case. I think that's everything for the, oh yeah, one more room. The Trilla Poop Center. Yep, next video we're gonna be doing something else. Bam.